Well, hello there. Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and making healthy recipes and showing you that it's not difficult or super time consuming is my passion. And today is no different. Smoothies are one of my favorite foods to make because of the variety. I can get my creative juices flowing. So today I'm gonna make a mango oat smoothie. I always think it's important when you're making your smoothies to make sure they're well-rounded nutritiously. So today is no exception, and let's get started. We are gonna start off with 2 cups of mango, frozen. Make sure when you buy your frozen fruit that it doesn't have any added sugar in it. Also, mango is really full of antioxidants, and we need antioxidants to build healthy cells, but mango is also really good for our eyes, our hair. It's just a really good fruit, so I put it in as many foods as I possibly can. The next thing that we're gonna add is 1 banana. Bananas have a ton of potassium, but they also have other vitamins too. So bananas should be an important part of your diet if you like them. Okay, next up we're gonna do oats. Oats are wonderful. Whole oats have fiber in them. None of us are eating enough fiber. The laxative industry in the United States is a $7 billion a year industry, and that is because none of us are going to the restroom enough because we're eating too many processed foods, and those processed foods don't have natural fiber in them. Fruits, vegetables, oats. Think natural whole foods are where you're gonna get your good sources of fiber. So we are going to put oats in here. Oats also are antioxidants. And now we're gonna add some non-dairy milk. Today I am using cashew milk. You can use whatever is in your fridge as long as it's non-dairy. Cashew is probably my favorite. It tends to be a little thicker than almond milk, but you do whatever you like. So we're gonna put some cashew milk in there. That's where we're gonna get more protein in this smoothie. And now we're gonna add hemp seeds. That's another source of protein. Hemp seeds are very mild in flavor, and they do come from the hemp plant. They are not cannabis, they are just the seeds, but they are loaded with protein, antioxidants, and they're anti-inflammatory. And because they're mild in flavor, I put them in a whole lot of things. And now we're gonna add some lemon juice. Here's a little tip. I love to pre-squeeze my lemons and limes right when I get home from the grocery store. I put them in this little squeeze bottle you can get for less than $1, and I store it in my fridge. It is a staple condiment in our house because I put this in so many things. It's loaded with vitamin C. It helps us put less salt on our food, and it's just good for you. So we're gonna add lemon juice today. I put lemon and lime in almost everything I make. And the last ingredient is collagen. I don't know if you know this, but when we're born, we are given all the collagen we're ever gonna have that our body can produce. And as we age, our collagen disappears. So that's one of the reasons that we get wrinkles in our face. That's one of the reasons our joints start hurting, is because we're losing collagen naturally. So if we can get that collagen back in our diet, score, right? Another great thing about collagen, it's got protein. So let's put some collagen powder in here. Make sure you get good quality collagen. Okay, I will be back in a minute. I'm gonna blend this up into a beautiful smoothie, and I will show you the final product here in just a second. Okay, it is all done. A really nutritious meal that takes less than 5 minutes to make. I know this is gonna make, this serving says 2, but it's a little bit more than 2, I think. So I'm gonna pour it into some mason jars, and I'll refrigerate the other ones, and I'll probably have my husband drink one when he gets home from work, and then I'll probably have one for breakfast in the morning. And there you have it, a nutritious meal loaded with nutrients. But you know what my favorite part about this recipe is? It doesn't lack flavor. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Healthy food can be nutritious, delicious, and simple. I'm gonna put those in the fridge for later, and I'm gonna top mine off with, I'm gonna eat this right now, and I'm gonna top it off with a little unsweetened shredded coconut. Coconut is anti-inflammatory, and it's delicious. Look at that beautiful mango oat smoothie. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Do me a favor and give my videos a thumbs up, put a comment in there, and let me know what you think if you try this. And if you ever try any of my recipes, please snap a quick picture, put it in your stories, post it on social media, and tag me. I want to see my recipes all over this wonderful country. Have an incredible day, and check back here regularly for all these quick recipes that I make to help you get a little healthier in your own kitchen. And if you want to learn more about me, head to ShellyCanHelp.com. Bye for now.